Believe it or not, young adults who have razor-sharp skills playing video games would be prime candidates for operating sophisticated heavy equipment in the forest products industry. Joel Doupe, a forestry sales specialist for modern machinery, says the buttons and controls for logging equipment are quite similar to those used in video games.
Basically, it's virtual reality. If you can do an Xbox, a Wii, an old Nintendo, or in my case, an Atari, then you can hop in one of these and within an hour or so, you've caught on to the concept of how to operate a machine, and you could actually go out into the forest and operate one. It's very, very similar to a video game. Everything in the machines now is electronic, and this is all small hand movements, pushing buttons, GPS, computers, etc. It's all very finite, almost like a ballet movement to operate the machine. This teaches you how to do that.
The virtual reality simulator is used to train people in the operation of heavy equipment.
What this is for operator training for a $500,000 piece of equipment, for operator proficiency so that they can learn without damaging a piece of equipment. It's like a flight simulator for a commercial airline pilot, only it's for a forestry application.
Nowadays, a timber purchaser from overseas may provide a detailed set of instructions to loggers and sawmills in Idaho to ensure the final product comes out right.
We're in a global market. Different countries have different specifications for the wood that is sold to them. So those specifications are sent to our foresters and our mills, which in turn get downloaded into these machines. So these logs are cut for a global market.
Doupe likes working in forestry because it's in his blood. He's been involved in logging since he was a young child.
I was 4 years old when I first got involved in the forest products industry, and it wasn't willfully. It was get out of bed at 4:30 in the morning and go work in the woods until 11, come home, change our clothes, and then we turned into ranchers and farmers for the rest of the day.
Doupe initially worked on a career in refrigeration and air conditioning, but he returned to forestry because he likes working with people who work in the woods.
The reason I so enjoy my chosen career and the folks that I associate with, which are the loggers, is they are salt of the earth people, and they work very hard. They're in tune with community. They are the bond of a community, and these folks will do anything for anybody. They are just open-minded, good folks that believe in family, community, hard work, and doing things the proper way, but doing them in a smart way, not taking from the earth, but giving back.
Like many people in the forest products industry, Doupe's passions are all outdoor pursuits.
I'm an avid outdoorsman, horseman, a woodsman, you would say. I still race dirt bikes at 41 years old. Don't ask me why. I like to steelhead fish up the Snake River Canyon, actually have an aluminum jet boat and like to be on the water. And family is very, very important.
Doupe is a big advocate of sound stewardship when it comes to forest management.
It's important for loggers to be good stewards because we are in the forefront of the public eye. And what we do is seen by the public from the ground and from the air. You can have it all, but there are certain places in the forest that need to be managed by Mother Nature. And there's a need for wilderness, and there's a need for places that are selectively thinned, and there's a need for clear cutting also.
Doupe says loggers are just as concerned about the environment as everyone else.
Don't look at the logging community as pillagers and plunderers. Look at them as good stewards and environmentalists, because that's what they are. And they care as much about that forest, sometimes more than you think.